All right, let's get this day started. We need to get 5 DoorDash orders done. It is not busy at all right now. We are currently sitting at a 4.92 on the customer rating, 83% on the acceptance rate, 99 on the completion with a 94% on time and early. Let's see if we can get 5 orders done without going ridiculously far. What is the first order gonna be? I would like something very reasonable with not a high delivery distance DoorDash, if you can manage that. 83% on the acceptance rate. Hopefully I don't have to decline anything. We only got a few days left. All right, $6.50 for 3.3 miles. I will take that. Boom, let's grab that screenshot. So I don't even have to go that far. But there's a possibility that we can get an add-on. I like it is bright today. I just got done eating me some Chipotle. I'm full now. $13 for one burrito bowl. Can you even believe it? All right, so we heading in here now, and I have not got an add-on yet. Must not be busy enough. Usually I get an add-on when I come here. We have arrived. Looks like we picking up 4 tamales and some Mexican rice, and also some cheese dip. We are now charging 3% for debit cards. Nice. Order number 1 ready to go. Looks like we're gonna be heading to our delivery destination with no add-on, and that's cool with me. Let's see, we gotta leave at door, apartment drop off. No biggie. Let's go ahead and get it done. Order number 1, $6.50, 3 miles. I'll take that all day long. $4.50 on the tip, $2 on the base pay. Hey, what can I say? I'll do that all day. Let's see what comes in next. We got, a nice little hot spot right here. Looks like it's getting pretty busy out there. Hopefully they send me another one right away. All right, DoorDash, talk to me nicely. I got order number 1 done. Let's see if we can get number 2 for the win. Let's see if we can get some more diamonds up on that thing. Trying to get enough orders so I can get that top dasher status. Give me some loans with the program. Give me some of them nice catering orders. Throw some Caterade on that DoorDash account. And it would be nice to be in the 90%. I hit top dash too, that would be nice. So I'm not trying to decline nothing, DoorDash. Send me $4.50 for less than a mile, I'll take it. You know, send me anything less than 3 miles. This thing is not going off. What is going on? Since DoorDash don't want to send me a good order, we gonna go through the car wash. Might as well, right? All right. We got that car nice and clean. We leaving the car wash right now, and I just got my next order. $4.50, 1.6 miles at Subway. And I was just asking DoorDash algorithm, like, look, just send me $4 for 1 mile, you know. If it ain't no high paying orders out there for real, just send me something that's not too far away, and I'll be happy with that. And that's exactly Subway. And we might get an add-on, we might not, but this is order number 2 right here. Pulling up the Subway right now. It's straight ahead. I think you can see it right about now. That's Subway right there. Hopefully they got this thing ready. It looked like it's going right down the street too, so this is an okay order. Let me go ahead and check though what we got. We got a meatball marinara. Okay, everything all good right there. Coca-Cola, gotta have something to drink. Yes, sir, and it's a leave at door. Let's get it, because you know I can't stand them hand-to-me customers. All right, guys, we're at Subway now. What the hell was that? People leaving litter everywhere. Let's see if Subway got this one ready. Look, it ain't busy at all. Nobody up in here. Shit, we should be good to go. I'm liking this DJI with my new attachment. I can do hands-free.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, it's this one right here? Yep, for Rachel. Appreciate it. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. What a Coca-Cola. Just like that, we out. I love it when the orders is ready to go. So we got a mile drive on this one, which is perfect. Let's see, let me hurry up and get back to the phone. They might have sent me an add-on. Nope, no add-on. Let's get this thing delivered.
Order number 2 on this DoorDash evening shift now. See if we can get 3 more done. I think we need 15. No. Yeah, we need about 15 more deliveries to the top dasher. We already got our rating. We just need to get enough deliveries before the month is over with, and then we'd be good to go. Let's see. We got a $2.50 tip, a $2 base pay. Ain't nothing else to say. Next up, we got $5.50 for 1.9 miles, and I'm sitting in the customer's driveway still. Let's go ahead and take that. At Chick Salad Chick, I'm heading up there right now. Let's get it. I got a screenshot too. We're gonna throw that screenshot up there so you can have a look at that. But yeah, guys, I'm trying to give y'all some different camera angles. Let's see. I got it clipped up to to the passenger mirror, to the passenger windshield, sun visor, the passenger sun visor, and we're gonna leave it right there attached to see if we can jam out like that. My GPS says that I'm 3 minutes away from Chick Salad Chick. Oh yeah, I'm just right around the corner. Boom. Order number 3. Let's get it. This is the type of DoorDash shift that I like, where everything's just calm. You know, you're getting a couple mile delivery distance on your orders. Nothing too crazy. You know, we're not trying to break the bank.
It's not dinner time yet. So we just trying to stay in a good mindset and a good mentality so we can keep cranking these deliveries out.
Because one thing that I do find is when you out there doing DoorDash and things start to go left, you start getting sent crazy orders, ridiculous delivery distances, and merchants you ain't trying to pick up from. Y'all know I hate Taco Bell and McDonald's. You know, it can really start to take a toll on your day. And we all only got a certain amount of mental capacity when we leave out of the, ooh, snap, that was a little bumpy. When we leave out, starting our dash, we got a certain amount of mental capacity. So I need DoorDash to do me nicely so that I can get these 5 deliveries done, call it a day, or maybe even get a couple more done if I'm feeling a little frisky. Order number 3. Let's see if they got this thing ready. I hear no copyrighted music, so I think we're good. We're good right there. Oh wait, I heard something. Hopefully it's not too loud. See, when I come here on DoorDash, they have them ready. But when I come on Uber, they don't. How you doing? I'm doing good. I'm picking up a page. Oh, they got catering? Oh, we might have to come check them out. Charge up the camera. Had to grab it off so I can get this delivery done. Order number 3. Let's go. We need 2 more for this DoorDash shift. And then we have completed our 5 orders for the day. And look at that whip. Got that mug clean, just got that car wash. Look at that. Yes, sir. Stop playing with me. I need to go ahead and get the key in the car wash too, so then we can really be jamming. Yes, sir. Order number 3 dropped off. Got it done. $3 tip. Yes, sir. $3.50 on the tip. $2 on the base pay. Let's go ahead and get order number 4 cracking right away. I see we still got a little hot zone. Hold on. They say I'm only at $11. That cannot be right. There we go. We at $16.50. I got about 45 minutes left on this shift right here. I should be able to get 2 more orders, especially if it starts picking back up. There we go. Got a little $4 Sonic order. I will take that. Let's get it. $4 for 2.2 miles at Sonic's. We heading to Sonic's. So I don't know if you was able to tell, but on that map, the drop-off is actually really, really close to the Sonic drive-in. So we finna pull over there, and I would estimate probably another small, less than a mile distance to the drop-off destination. Now, Sonic is one of those places where it's kind of hit or miss, right? Sometimes they can be quick, sometimes they can be slow as that one thing. Slow as molasses, you know? I'm FDA, so I need them to be quick and in a hurry. We're not doing no earn by time. We don't earn by offer. We've gotten 4 diamond orders. Let's go. Nothing over $10, so that's crazy right there. But at least the miles been low. My main thing is, you know, if I gotta drive 10 miles away, it just pretty much ruins my whole shift. Cause on that 10-mile drive back, I'm thinking to myself, like, why did I do this? First of all, why did I take this order? Why is it so far away? Why is these customers even allowed to order from this far away? I just have so many questions when I do a 10-mile order. So I'm just glad I'm not seeing none of that. This is gonna be order number 4 right here. And I think total distance altogether, calculating all the orders, is gonna be about 10 miles. And that is something I can get behind. Now, I think I did one that was $14.25 for like 13 miles. Man, that was a 26-mile round trip. And that $14 did not satisfy me for that 13-mile drive back. It really didn't, I'm not gonna lie. So it's really showing me like, look, you gotta really pick particular times to go out and do earn by offer and earn by time, right? Because if you go and you do earn by time and it's slow, yeah, you might still get orders, but you also might be driving, 20-mile round trips and 23-mile round trips and just ridiculous distances. I'm not trying to deal with none of that. We pulling up to Sonic right now. It's actually right over there. So we right on time. I was able to talk my butt off this whole time, all the way from the last customer all the way over here into the Sonic drive-thru pickup. Let's get it. My boy Jacob got an onion ring and a corn dog. Boy, I know they got to have this thing ready. I just know they got to have it ready. And he right down the street. Come on now. Let me get that. Yes, sir. We are here. How you doing? I'm picking up for Jacob. Yes, sir. Now, so that's good. Hopefully it don't be too long. We got exactly 40 minutes left in this shift, so now we just need one more order. Make it order number 5. Something told me the good times wasn't gonna last forever. We got an additional 725 for an additional 7.5 miles. You know, everything was going good. It really was. It really, really was. But now they didn't hit me with this, you know, and that's gonna be my 5th order. Like, I'm about to take it. It's almost 1-to-1 miles to money. You know, this is a bad order. There ain't no way around it. I'm not even finna sugarcoat it. This is not a great order. This is a bad add-on. But for order number 5, and I know if I decline, this is gonna make my acceptance rate go down. Not only because it's a decline, you know, duh, but I've done 4 in a row. And with me being in the 80 percentile, I need that 5th order in order for my acceptance rate to go up. Because I did 4 orders in a row and my acceptance rate stayed exactly the same. So I knew they was gonna send me an order that wasn't really great. I really thought they was gonna send me a super terrible one. So you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and take this. I met Sonic, it's an add-on for Sonic. So you know, that's pretty much the best I can do right here. Yeah, they just sent me an add-on too. So I got Jacob and now I got Jill. Okay. So I'll wait for Jill, it might not be ready. I'll pull up or something if you want me to. Where you want me to? Stay right here. That's cool, I'll stay right here. Thank you. Alrighty, so you know, I got the first order, the $4 order. Now I gotta wait for the $7 add-on. At least this is order number 5 right here. So like I said, I needed them 5 orders done, and I'm not happy about this. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I'm not happy. But you know what? Sometimes you gotta take one on the chin, I guess, as them top dashers say. Sometimes you gotta take one on the chin so you can hit your goals. Now let me see. Jacob, his order, boom, we got that. And let's see if he got a hand to me, because that would piss me off. Nope, no hand to me on Jacob order. And now, what's this other one? Leave on the table in front of the porch. Just no consideration. Just no consideration. You know what? I got my 5 orders though. You know, I didn't have to wait until I dropped this one off. I got another one. I'm already here waiting. So it's not like I got to go somewhere else and possibly wait. So it is some good things about it. But man, just the miles to money for the payout is what I'm having a hard time with, because $7 for an additional 7 miles, it's just all gas money basically. There's no profit in there. There's no profit in there. Let's just say the base pay $2, customer tip $5. I wouldn't want to take that order by itself. $7 for 7.5 miles. I wouldn't want to take that. So you know, I'm gonna quit complaining about it. Let's hurry up and get these 2 orders done. We got the one. Well, we got both orders in the car, in the hot bags. Let's go ahead and get these things delivered, man. We got our 5 Doordash orders, and we got it before nightfall, before 5 p.m., before my shift ends. So I'm happy, you know. It's a lot that I don't like about this second order, but it's okay though, because you know what? That's the only order I got today that didn't have a diamond on it, and that's highly unusual. You know, Doordash don't give out love like that, so you gotta just appreciate when you get something that's not too bad. First one is to the right down the street. Second one is a little bit further. All right, let's go ahead and drop off order number 1 of this Doordash dump stack. Let's see, right here. Alrighty. We got the $2 tip out the way. Now we gotta drive to our nature hike. Got a minute, but we made it. Drop off number 2. Now we just gotta get it up to the door and get that good old Doordash picture. You know how we do, front door service. 7 miles away. My God. And that is order number 5 right there, boom. I'm curious, how much is the tip gonna be on this one? I'm very curious. $5 tip, $2.25 base pay. So looks like, not bad. So looks like we did $27.75. 5 Doordash orders, and we got it all done in 2 hours. Let's get it. Next up, we got $7.12 for 11 miles at Walmart, and guess what? It's gonna stay right there. You got me messed up, Uber Eats. No, sir. And look, we got trip radar too. $4.55 up is gone. Yep, it's gonna stay right there.